One thing you want to do when you're using FSTA on the Ovid search platform is that you might want to set yourself up with a auto alert. This means that you'll be able to keep up to date with all the new research which is added to FSTA every single week. I've just done a very basic search here for diabetes. And what I want to do is I want to make sure I'm going to get emailed every week the results which are newly added to FSTA. Here there's a button that says Create Auto Alert. It's a small tab. You just click on it. Easiest thing you can do is save your search and create an alert. So here I'm just going to put in the word diabetes. It's a type of alert called an Auto Alert SDI. You can add a comment in there. You can just say this is my search alert, for example. And then what you can do is you can choose when you want to receive it. So for example, if you want it quarterly, monthly, every other week, you can even choose the days. If you like Friday afternoon, for example, for reading the latest research. And then you can have weekly if you like. So I'm going to choose weekly. I'm going to choose perhaps a Friday. I want to make sure I include open access results as well. I like to have it by email. And I can just put in my address into here. You might want to just put in the subject line for the email that's going to be sent to you. That will make sure that you always spot the latest research email that's coming to you from FSTA. Once I've done all that, I can also choose which fields I want in the actual alert itself. I might want to go for the complete reference, or just the citation, or the citation abstract, for example. Now, most important button is to press save. Make sure that you press save once you've done everything. And if you've got any pre-existing searches, it'll show you down in the box here your other searches as well. It's one of the most useful functions you can possibly have. FSTA is updated every single week. And to make sure that you get into the habit of seeing all the latest research in your subject area or somewhere that you have an interest, make sure you set up your auto alert on Ovid FSTA. If you have any questions, get in touch either with your Ovid support team or contact us here at ifis.org, and we'll be sure to help you. Thanks for watching.